What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Low Tick. It's a little windy out. I apologize for the sound if you guys hear it, but anyways, what is up? We are gonna be changing out the clutch today on the 350Z. I'm here at the lab. Hi, yours. Imagine I forgot my clutch at home. Oh, that was so nice. My ugly beast.
Ugly for now.
I know, ugly for now. We still gotta remove the fucking wrap off of this thing. Them seats though! Fuck yeah. I forgot I had these. That looks sick. But again, if you guys don't remember, I'll remind you. Throwing in a stage 3 6-puck clutch by Action Clutch, of course, my sponsor. If you guys are interested in getting a clutch, link is down in the description. You can use my promo code LOWTECH. Is that him? My boy Andy is here. I don't know if you guys remember him. He always helps me out with my trans. He's gonna be helping me out today. Again. How do you open this thing? Andy? Andy?
Andy!
Who do you guys think would win? Evo? Yeah, me too. It's time to get our hands dirty, Andy. So today we are just dropping the transmission and removing the clutch and flywheel because I got to take the flywheel to get resurfaced. I am not reusing it like that. I really recommend you guys always resurfacing your flywheel if you're going to reuse it on a new clutch. I'm excited. Finally, my clutch is done and toasted. I don't know, some of you guys may be new to this channel, but the Z is currently in the works of getting a new look. It used to be red, but we are rewrapping it a new color, which I can't tell you because it's going to be a surprise. And the wheels are getting powder coated right now, which I got to pick that up next week. So much in the works. And the bumper is done. I got to pick that up next week as well, along with my over fenders. I'm excited. I'm actually surprised how long my clutch lasted on this thing. Probably like 3 years of nothing but abuse. I know a lot of people go through clutches like every year. This shit lasted me 3 years. Finally gonna put a new one in there. Same one, going with the same one. Just cause I love it. I really recommend it. Either a stage 1 or stage 3. Stage 2 to me is pointless. Give me the shaft. That's a big shaft, dude. It's so hard to record this process. My hands are dirty, so you guys are gonna get little clips here and there. fuck out of here. Fucking Andy.
What's he doing?
Is he not done?
I guess not.
Sick ass food. You ever start something and you just want to finish it because you've been working on it for so long? Well, that was kind of me when I was working on the clutch. I just wanted to get that shit done. So that's why I kind of threw a random montage together. I apologize. Maybe some of you guys wanted to see the process of it, but I am not a how-to channel. But yeah, I am now here at Action Clutch. They don't have their sign up because they're remodeling, but I'm here at Action Clutch in Whittier. I am gonna get my flywheel resurfaced because I want to reuse it. I don't want to buy a new one, so we're using the same flywheel. So I brought it here to get that done. And as soon as this gets done, I'll be able to throw my clutch back on the Z. Hopefully they let me record the process of this. What's up guys, I am now home. I wasn't able to film. I guess they were a little busy, but I told him if he could just do me a favor and record a little bit on his phone. I was really hoping it was gonna be all horizontal like this so you guys can see it, but he recorded vertically, and yeah, you know how that goes. So I'm gonna just roll the footage for you guys. Yeah, it was a pretty cool process of the wheel being resurfaced. Now I gotta go pick that up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install this e-brake boot to match my shift boot, because this one's gotta go. So same process, two screws here, and then there's two screws that are holding this one. Pop this off. I think it's two, or maybe it's one. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but let's get to it.